Oh! Far out!
Oh my god, yeah, I did. I caught it as well.
Oh my god.
We've got an amazing thunderstorm happening, Molly. Yeah.
Amazing. She's like, oh, it was so hot to make consistency, but now it's just all cooled down and it's pouring, like absolutely pouring. And the trees are all swaying and there's lightning and thunder. It's amazing. So nice. It's just really, wow. Whoa, that was huge. A big bolt came from the sky. It was massive. Yeah. Whoa. Oh, yeah.
Hey? Yeah, you probably will actually. Yeah.
Whoa, that the whole sky was just white then.
So to our neighbours. Hi.
What did you say?
You remember it well?
Remember it very well.
Oh, I was just about to move and then there's this is the other Dave.
Is this live too?
Yeah.
Is
You
it
can
really?
see all of this as well.
Seriously?
Amazing technology.
I don't believe it.
No.
But they will.
Bricks.
Might as well.
Yeah. See,
You getting some?
Oh, yeah.
I'm standing in the lightning. I would probably get a lightning bolt into the spine.
Yeah.
It'll look good though.
It's going to look amazing.
It'll look great,
What are you watching TV?
yeah.
Did you watch the Kylie show?
Oh, it's
I
on
watched the National Carbon Test.
Oh, the rain on my feet. Seriously, rain on my feet.
Again! That was amazing. It's very dramatic.
I'll do it again, hang on.
And then the lights
It is
came
very
up.
dramatic.
There'll be a time.
Now, you guys will smile once, smile once to the camera. Oh, that looked pretty scary. That looked brilliant.
He's smoking again.
No? Where? What?
I saw smoke.
Just kind of a slap. See, that looks nice now. Hopefully not the last. Wow. I thought I was really lucky at first when I caught the first bolt of lightning on the camera. Just as I turned it on,
Yeah.
thinking, wow,
Yeah.
how amazing is that? I think I caught it.
I've got some advice. Don't look straight into lightning. Okay?
Michael, found that tree.
Now this is more interesting.
No, but no, I think that's more, that tree's more interesting. Sorry, Nick. Wasn't saying that on.
Yeah, maybe you're right. Let's have a look.
That tree's more interesting.
Which tree?
She sounds so young.
She sounds so... Do you hear what he said, Mike? He said you sound so young to be a mother.
It must be your little sister.
I should have thought the
Shouldn't let these things pass.
Just like that Skype image.
Wow.
Skype. Skype is what I would call a web. Like I would call it a webcam setup.
Yeah.
I didn't know how to name.
Yeah, but a webcam is just a webcam. The actual over the internet.
Program stuff.
Oh, but you know what I mean? Yeah, I know. But you know.
Wait, what was
So
that?
Mrs. Crump.
Do you seriously
Yeah.
not know
The
Skype?
same.
Yeah.
Oh, it's good having Skype, isn't it?
Did she
No,
say
it's Skype.
Skype?
Yeah, I thought, I know what that says.
Skype.
Yeah.
And then she said it again, and then Mike said she's talking to you, and I said, oh, sorry, what did you say?
Yeah.
And she said, oh, it's good having Skype.
She said,
And I
do you
said,
not know Skype?
Sorry, what are you saying? I thought it was the accent. Please help me. Like, this is a bit embarrassing.
Honestly, if you don't answer me in 20 seconds,
Yeah, exactly.
I would kill myself. 20. Skype, I don't know what you're talking about. 19, 18.
It's very much like that. And then you said, someone, it's one on Skype.
That's funny.
Ed. End of story.
Yeah. You. I couldn't understand the first sentence that she said to me either. I had to ask her
Did you have to say a
times.
few times?
Yeah.
Like, sorry, what?
Yeah.
What was it?
Sorry, but what?
How was the hill? Because we walked up a hill to get to Michael's place. And
How was the hill?
Yeah, she.
What? How was you? What?
No, she wasn't. No, she wasn't drunk. She wasn't drunk.
I know, of course,
My mum.
she'd never be drunk.
This is
My mum doesn't
Because it's
drink.
Mike's
My mum doesn't drink.
How are you, babes?
Tarika?
Yeah.
Boring, eh? Lightning's boring. Cal, that was
You
good.
know what I think's really boring, guys? Like, use these pyrotechnics.
So,
Okay, I was still talking.
good.
That's a little bit weird. I'm still talking.
Good morning. Good
Hit your head. It is. Was that the proper last night?